And then the location, when this breast center was established, that was a space meant for orthopedic department. And the orthopedic department was headed by Dr. Gurva Reddy, who is Dr. Bhaskarao's brother-in-law. And the department that was given to me was on the 5th floor in Block 1, which was in an insignificant place. Dr. Bhaskarao fought for me. In fact, I did not know. Fought for the fact that the breast center should be visible. It should be right at the entrance. Only then it will be visible. He is the person who really stood behind this. I only came to know later on. And then the staff, before the breast center was established, there were 2 ayas, Manimala, Kavita, Aruna. These are the people who helped me to see patients in the pediatric unit. And then when I came, Dr. R.V. Rao, who hesitates to come here, is a medical oncologist. He arranged for me to get connected with the various Indian Medical Association heads in the state, and he got me to go around the state within 1 month. And by the time the breast center was established here, through a van that we got through Roko Cancer Charity, I was able to go around, and by the time between September 2007 to December 2007, already the breast center was known that we were setting up something, the first in the country. It's freestanding, it's comprehensive, and it's a dedicated center where I do only breast work, and a dedicated breast radiologist is there. Then we have, for triple assessment, the third component is Dr. Sailaja. Where is she? So yes, she is the head of the pathology department, and Dr. Satish, and of course Dr. Chaitanya from the Department of Radiology, again, who really got trained in breast diseases. Dr. Chaitanya, where are you? So all these people, sir, they were instrumental in getting triple assessment under breast low. Examination is 1, radiology is 2, pathology is 3. If 3 people are not in sync with each other, then we cannot establish a good breast service. And the medical superintendent, the general manager, Naidu Garu, and Santosh, Rajani, Vidyasagar from the medical education, from theatre, sir, Dr. Naresh Reddy. Whatever time you call him, is available, sir. He's really been a great source of support along with their entire staff. Dr. Jayashree is here. She, in fact, when I was assisting my father in Durgabhai Deshmukh Hospital a long time ago, soon after MBBS, she was the anesthetist. We have Dr. Vikram, Dr. Subba Reddy, Dr. Praveen, Dr. Bharati, and many more. And for an operation to be successful, you require good nurses, and all the nursing staff who helped me in theatre are here. I'm very grateful. Without them, I can't operate. It's impossible. I may have been very difficult at times, trying to insist on certain protocols to be followed in theatre. Please forgive me if I have done that. So, and then the technicians, post-op care nursing staff, and then Dr. Lata Sharma. Tuberculosis breast is not common, it's not treated well. So we send all our patients to the pulmonology department, Dr. Lata Sharma. The assistant team, Shanti, Rajendra Nath, IT, Naveen, the security people who look after our cars, my driver, Yakeya, who used to come at odd times. So many people who are sitting here in the audience. So I'm very grateful to you. Ee award ni Romu Cancer Jainchina Ammaki, Ammalanti entamando Matrumurtru, ఈ రొమ్ము మహమ్మారిని ఎదుర్కొని జయించిన వారందరికీ ఈ అవార్డుని డెడికేట్ చేస్తున్నాను. సో ఐ రిక్వెస్ట్ ఆ భగవంతుడి ఆశీర్వాదంతో ఫోకస్, అన్వేవరింగ్ ఫోకస్ విత్ అ ప్లాన్, ఫోకస్డ్ యాక్షన్, పర్సనల్ డిసిప్లిన్ and reliance on the confidence to make a difference to the delivery of breast health care has helped me to be chosen for this award. I am very grateful to the government of Telangana, to our Honorable Chief Minister Sri Chandrasekhar Rao Garu for nominating my name for this award, to the Government of India and to the selection committee who have felt that my name is worthy of being given this award, because I would like to earn an award. I do not want to be given an award just like that. I would like to earn an award, and I feel that if the committee have considered me worthy of this award, I am very grateful. I cannot thank enough Sri Padmanabhai Garu, who is a Padma Bhushan awardee. You know, when my name was being nominated, I asked him, do you think I should be considered for this award? He said, certainly yes. And he has been a great source of support to the foundation. And so has Sir Professor Kakalu Subbarao Garu, who is a fatherly figure, and I have preserved all his emails since the time I was in the United Kingdom. And my friend Ananda here, who really supported the breast cancer support group that we formed here. So I cannot thank all of you enough. I'm sorry if I've missed out some names, but I would like to request Dr. Naresh Reddy Garu to please come and receive a bouquet from our honorable chief guest. Without the support from so many people, God connected me to various people, to the management of KIMS, to the board of directors of KIMS, to Dr. Bhaskar Rao Garu, Dr. Krishna Garu. I have no words to thank, because I can only do so much through a foundation. The hospital has given me so much of a strong base. Without this base, I would be nowhere. And they stood rock solid behind all my thoughts and ideas, which were very, very silly at that time. You know, నేను వచ్చిన కొత్తల్లో digital mammogram పెడితే ఒక very prominent newspaper, they interviewed two surgeons. One was me and another was somebody else. So that surgeon said, హైదరాబాద్లో ఒక మ్యామోగ్రామ్ మెషిన్ పెట్టి సెకండ్రాబాద్లో ఇంకో మ్యామోగ్రామ్ మెషిన్ పెడితే అది ఒక న్యూస్ అయిపోతుంది అని. He didn't realize that digital mammography was the second unit in the country. There was so much of jealousy. People used to queue up to Dr. Bhaskar Rao's room. ఎందుకు ఆయన్ని అట్లా ఎంకరేజ్ చేస్తున్నారు, ఎందుకు అట్లా చేస్తున్నారు, మీ పేరు పాడవుతుంది, హాస్పిటల్ పేరు పాడవుతుంది, and so many things. Every day he used to withstand all the headaches, but he stood by me, and I can proudly say that probably in my previous birth I was his brother, or there was some family connection. Without his support, I would not be here. And thank you. I'm sorry I've taken so much of time. Thank you very much.